So when your back might look small, not because it actually is, but because your forearms are weak. You can do pull-ups, rows, train your back like a beast, but if your grip gives up early, your progress dies with it. Here's the truth most beginners ignore. If you want your body to look powerful, your forearms matter more than you think. They're like a hidden detail, just like a strong neck or sharp abs. You can have big biceps and a wide chest, but once you put on a t-shirt, everything disappears, except your arms. And if your forearms look like noodles, that's all people will see. Now, let's talk about wrists. Can you make them bigger? Short answer, no, you can't grow bone. Your wrists are mostly bone and tendons. But here's the good news. Your forearm muscles can grow a lot. And when they do, your wrists look thicker automatically. So why do most people fail? Simple. They train the wrong muscles in the wrong way. You don't need hours in the gym. You don't need 500 wrist curls. You just need to train the right functions. Elbow flexion, wrist flexion and extension, rotation, pronation and supination, and grip strength. Master these and your arms will completely change. Veins pop, grip becomes insane, and your arms look thicker even if your biceps stay the same size. Now, there's one muscle that changes everything, the brachioradialis. Most people ignore it, but it's the muscle that gives your forearms that thick, dense look from every angle. And the best part? You don't need heavy weights. You just need the right angles. Exercise 1, reverse curl. Grab anything, dumbbells, bags, even water bottles. Do a normal curl, but flip your grip, palm facing down. Suddenly that hidden muscle wakes up. Go slow, control every rep, rush it, and your elbows will remind you why control matters. Exercise 2, dead hang. Simple, but brutal. Grab a bar and just hang. That's it. Your grip will start burning in seconds. No bar, use something solid. Just make sure it won't break, because you're training grip, not testing gravity. Exercise 3, towel hang. Now, make it harder. Throw a towel over the bar, hold the towel instead. Now, your forearms work 10 times harder. This is what builds that thick, meaty look. Start short, because your grip will fail fast. Exercise 4, rice bucket training. Sounds weird, but it works. Put your hand inside a bucket of rice. Open, close, twist, dig, move with control. This hits all the small muscles nobody trains. And that's where the real detail comes from. That's it. 4 movements that can completely transform your forearms. No fancy machines, no complicated routines, just consistency. So now I want to know, what's the first exercise you're trying? And if you want more videos like this, hit subscribe.